Exercise 11. The news. Listen to the news and tick the 3 items which are mentioned in the headlines, and then fill in the gaps by writing no more than 3 words in the spaces provided.
This is the 6 o'clock news for Thursday, and first the headlines are: a powerful earthquake rocked the U.S. Northwest on Wednesday. Frightened people ran into the streets of Seattle. Earthquake officials said British Columbia felt the shock but escaped any serious damage. Transport workers are on strike in Vancouver over a pay claim, and the strike looks set to spread to all of BC. In Moscow, Russian officials gave the green light on Wednesday to California millionaire Dennis Tito to become the first tourist in space.
Now here's the news in detail. A strong earthquake hit Seattle at 10:54 a.m. on Wednesday. According to the National Earthquake Information Center in Golden, the magnitude 6.8 quake was centered 125 kilometers southeast of Victoria and 56 kilometers southwest of Seattle. About 250 people were reported injured in Seattle and Olympia. At least 3 of them are in serious condition. In Victoria, the earthquake caused buildings to sway and shook pictures off walls, but damage was minimal, said Kay Smith, who was on the 8th floor of a downtown Victoria office building. I thought the building was going to sway and topple over. Yet others didn't feel a thing. A spokesman said that at least 2 local people had hospital treatment for minor injuries.
Russian officials gave the green light to California millionaire Dennis Tito to become the first tourist in space, despite reservations from NASA. Tito, 60, the founder of an investment firm, took his final exam. The Interdepartmental Committee, which routinely approves cosmonauts for spaceflight, included Tito in the primary crew set to launch on April 28th on a mission to the International Space Station. Tito will reportedly pay $20 million for the flight. He will spend about a week on the station, despite objections from NASA, who felt that an amateur on board could jeopardize safety if there were an emergency.